This thing is hot. It's a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette, body off frame restored. The paint is slick as Teflon. That's why I'm not even leaning on this one. Under the hood is a 400 horsepower 383 stroker motor. It's air conditioned. It's got a 5-speed upgraded big disc brakes. This thing is cool. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can take your time and look at over 100 pictures, read the information. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. Now, if you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified when the next video is posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car is built right, too. This isn't just thrown together car. I mean, it looks like it was a car with no expense spared. You've heard that expression. That's the feeling I get with this car. No corners were cut. So it looks like the body was off the frame because everything underneath it, every component, all the steering, front and back, independent suspension, the bushings, the nuts, bolts, everything about it looks like it's been redone. There's about 5,000 miles on the car since it's been finished. Some upgrades include a rack and pinion steering system up front. It has Coney gas shocks all the way around. It has a fiberglass spring in the back, the leaf spring. And again, it's all rebuilt. The brake system's completely redone. All the lines, hoses, you name it. Has disc at all 4 wheels with drilled and slotted calipers. It's got a nice dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers back here with the polished tips coming out through the lower valance like it's supposed to. You look up at the motor, it's an extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. You have the Tremec 5-speed transmission, so everything related to that, clutch, shift linkage, that was all replaced. So it has a custom drive shaft going back to the rear end. The fiberglass floors are all nice, clean fiberglass, painted black. The spare tire carrier, it's all complete. So everything is like, you know, where it's supposed to be, and it all looks really good. The body looks amazing. I tell you what, this wiper door with this cowl and the hood and the fender and these little trim pieces, I've never seen one fit that good. This hood is precise all the way around. Look how nice, square and flush this all fits. The door, this fender, no damage, no cracking. The headlights fit real nice. Absolutely straight, beautiful. Another thing, they're always chipped up right here from the convertible top. They're always nicked and chipped here. Even our $200,000 67 Vette has some chips here. Not this one. This lid fits real nice. I don't see any issues. I don't see body work showing. I don't see cracking. Whole tail panel. And this is black. Black doesn't hide anything. This one has nothing to hide. All really nice. I don't see any funny business, body work. Oh, there are like little dimples in the paint right here. Almost looks like chips that were maybe touched up or painted over. It's the first flaw I found in the body or paint. This is excellent. Yeah, all lines up nice. Headlights do open and close. We'll show that towards the end of the video when I back it out. So yeah, it's a black car and it's exceptional. The body and paint on this thing is gorgeous. Slick. The windshield looks like it's been replaced. It's real nice and clear. Up front, all the chrome, the bumper, the lower bumpers, the grills, it's all real nice. Has the weather shields behind here that are blocking the headlights when the doors are closed. These inserts right here, those are optional. There's a mirror on both sides. Door handles might be original. They're slightly worn, but they look good. Same with these. Sitting on Foose wheels, and they are 18-inch with Performance BF Goodrich tires. Nice Foose wheels. The stance is real nice on this car. In back, the bumpers are real shiny, and the tail lights and the emblems and the license plate frame, all that's real sharp. The convertible top, it's a black top. The whole frame is restored. The top was replaced. You can see pictures of that on our website. So let's open it up and see what's inside and under that hood. Really nice, sexy lines on this car. The jambs are really nice. The weather strips are excellent. See, the door panel is mint condition. This whole dash area, instrument panel is really nice. The instruments are clean. The dash pad's not cracked. The switches and vents and knobs, all real nice. Has a working clock, an original AM/FM radio. Over here, you got the original pouch. It's all really good. Getting back to the console now, this is mint. The heater control panel's replaced. This is for the fuel injection that's on the motor. You can actually, almost positive, you can just unplug that if you didn't want to have that sticking out of there. And then it has the 5-speed shifter, but they wanted it to look original with this reverse lockout, which is there for looks. But it does have the 5-speed indicator, and they've even updated the specs. 383, 400 horsepower, 435 pounds of torque. It's got power windows. This is all in excellent shape. The seats are glove soft leather entirely. The sides of the seats, the headrest, I mean, it's all glove soft leather. Has a tilt-telescopic wheel. The interior lights work. Like I said, the top's real nice. Got the compartments back here. One has the battery. I really like what's under this hood. Again, it's a 383 stroker motor. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake. It has the Edelbrock FloPro fuel injection. It's got headers, billet distributor with electronic ignition, some nice aluminum valve covers. And you can see all the vacuum, the latches, all in really nice shape. Air conditioning with a serpentine belt, aluminum radiator with 2 big electric fans to keep it cool, aluminum water pump. And we got more billet brackets, and we got power steering down there, a chrome alternator, we got power brakes. And it's just a neat and tidy application. Oh yeah. That sounds pretty awesome. They're vacuum headlights, so one's a little quicker than the other, but they're working. Yeah, again, my impression of this car is quality. The fit and finish is everywhere. You know, just the fact the interior lights and the clock's working. The door jambs are so nice. The weather strip fits like it's supposed to. That door shut like a new car. Yeah, this one too. And then this motor with this 5-speed and the sound it makes, it revs up so nice and clean. I bet this thing is an absolute blast out on the street. I might have to get up one Sunday morning before many cars are out and go for a spin. So there you have it. This is one sexy, exciting car. After a long day of work, this will put a smile on your face. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll answer what questions you still have. They'll help with delivery to your door and financing at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe and then click on that bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching. Got 2 minutes left, Russell.